wants to smoke right here? This man got the fastest bike. He got the secret sauce up in there. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Big Vern's Moto Life, hustle and muscle every day. Now that Labor Day is out of here, my favorite holiday, which is Halloween, is on the way. And speaking of Halloween, man, I am the hardest working man out here on any platform. Fellas, I have got an announcement for you. I have got a horror movie coming out called The Beautiful Ones. Going down. I play Detective Calloway in the movie. You guys got to check it out, man. I am so excited. I got the trailer for you. Let's get money.
Do you consider yourself a sex addict or a sex freak?
I guess that would depend on your definition of a sex freak. Jazz dumped me today.
We have 2 murders, almost identical.
Man, did you do that?
Welcome back to the channel, Big Vern's Moto Life. As you see, I am rocking the Juice shirt right here, Tupac on the cover. This is the 50th year of hip hop. Wanted to show my love for hip hop right here. Great movie, great music came out of that movie. Shout out to you, hip hop. All right, now we got that out the way. Guys, it is time to get back. You know I am on the grind. I am the hardest working man on YouTube, and I am getting this customization on the bike going. I got another part in the mail. Let's see what it is. It is the Clockworks official windshield trim right there. It's got the Clockworks decal on there. It is official, nothing but class. Remember, the small details like this make the bike boom. Your boy is not playing with it anymore. Check out, you can see it up front. I'm gonna pan around so you guys can get a good look at it. It is the Clockworks windshield trim right there. You see the logo right there, looks really, really nice and clean. The logo on the windshield, I'm loving it. Now let's check out the vision board real quick, fellas, and let's see what our vision board looks like. And we're gonna black this thing out. So we're going front end with the blackout. We're gonna go the bezel right there, then we're coming right up. You see the nice clean windshield trim leads you right into the transition into the windshield, all blacked out. I cannot wait for the tire to get here. It is gonna mash them up. So good morning, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited today. I am gonna grab the new handlebars today. They are coming in the mail. Also, I had to order a clamp and riser set. Found out that the handlebars, the guy who I bought the bike from, they were 1-inch handlebars and he had to change out the clamps and the risers to 1-inch ones, which threw everything off. Harley-Davidson standard risers are 1 1/4. Guys, had to really get all that set up and ready to go. I am fired up to get the day off to a good start. Speaking of getting the day off to a good start, I'm gonna hit the gym. As you see, I'm about ready to rock and roll. I wanna show you, guys over 40 years old, I wanna show you my vitamin regimen that is totally affordable. Let me show you how it works real quick. Now, all of these vitamins I got right here are from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 per. I just wanna explain to you what I take and why it is good for a person over 40. Now you guys, you see right here the ginseng 500 milligram, and that's good for overall energy. And guys, if you got low testosterone, you wanna keep that energy up with something natural. And then you see I've got the natural energy pill right here, and it's just a it's for vital stamina, and it'll keep you going. These two together will give you all the energy you need. You don't need pre-workouts, you don't need energy drinks, any of that. Then I've got the Super B complex, which is the heart and nervous system to keep your heart and healthy nervous system going. Then we've got the probiotics, which is for digestive health, which as you get older, your digestive system needs a little bit of a kickstart. So that's gonna help you out. Then you got the vitamin C, and we all know vitamin C is to keep your immune system up so you don't get sick. COVID is still out there. And then finish it off with the vitamin B12, which is conversion of food into energy, which will help you convert what you eat into energy. So I am gonna get out here today, man. It is gonna be a great day. I'm gonna show you these bars. They'll be on their way in the mail later on. I'm so excited. Let's get money. Let's jump on the bike right now. I am hyped up and ready to go. It is about to go down. Have to give you a look at the mean machine right there. Also, you can see I am sporting the sweet Torque motorcycle gloves. Man, I am a glove fanatic. Let's get it started, baby. Let's get out here and get after it. Get a good ride into the gym. Get a great workout in. Man, I have got a great day for you, man. We are about to blaze the channel today. It's time to get this video cranking. You know I love the Road Star Warrior. You guys are coming with today. Like I told you, I have got a great video lined up for you today, man. It is going down. Oh my God. I am going to an event later on this today with my crew. We are going to chop it up at Geneva on the Lake. Guys, this is a beautiful place. It is a bike show. Later on today, man, the weather is going to be a little bad. It's sunny outside, as you see, but it is going to get rough tonight. But we're still going to get out there and ride those bikes. It is going down. Let me jump on the highway and get some work in right quick. Yes, sir, and that is how you ride a motorcycle, fellas. Getting it done. Big Burns Moto Life, we love everything that goes fast. I know you are the same out there, so do me a favor, man. If you are loving the material, man, don't forget to drop a like on that video. Man, subscribe right below, man. We about to blaze this thing. Might as well get with me, man. We on our way to the top. You might as well come with me. Let's get it. And it is going down. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of the video with those vitamins. First off, let me holler at my men over 40, man. Let me let you guys know, when you hit 40, it is definitely a great life to live, man. Don't listen to what you hear out there. Man, when you get 40, you are in your prime, fellas. Man, listen to me. Take that regimen of vitamins daily. It will keep you healthy and ready to rock and roll, man. And if you're having problems in the bedroom, man, guys, you gotta get out there, take care of yourself, keep those supplements going, keep yourself in shape, and you will be a monster in the bedroom. It is all going down. Big Burns Moto Life is always about keeping you fresh, not only on that motorcycle, but in your rest of your life. Man, I am enjoying the bike out here. Remember, man, a man with confidence cannot be stopped. Man, take care of yourself. When you get over 40 years old, life is just beginning, baby. Get out there, take care of yourself. It is a whole nother life out there. I want you guys to be the best you can be and live your best life. Road Star Warrior is just a monster. It is nothing like riding on a monster and knowing that everybody is oohing and eyeing at you, man. I can tell you this right now, fellas. Every time you are somewhere and you are riding down the street, there are at least 10 people who are watching you from them cars, and they're wishing they could be you. So remember that when you are out there, man, let it be known, always look your best, always keep yourself rolling, because there's always somebody watching. All right, man, I got a second at the light. I am loving these Torque motorcycle gloves, by the way. It is a beautiful day, but like I said, it is gonna get a little rough later on. They're calling for rain, but it's not stopping me and my crew. We heading to Geneva on the Lake for the big bike show. It is about to go down. It is a party, and you are definitely coming with. Let's get it, baby. Woo, that pickup is no joke. Damn, I'm at the gym already. I hate to end the ride, but I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit, man. We're gonna kick it tonight. Let's get that money. All right, so you see, I have just got to the gym ready to get it done this morning, but the Road Star Warrior is looking so amazing right now. Guys can see it in the background. It is excellence in motorcycle building right here. I am in love with this build. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but you can see the sun hit off that bike looking so crazy. Let me get in here, get this workout. All right, man, as I told you, I am pulling up to Geneva Lake right now. We are about to get it done. I'm gonna meet up with the crew, and we're gonna have a great day today. You guys gotta sit back, relax. If you are liking the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, man, as you see, it is definitely going down. I am on the main strip in Geneva. Geneva, Ohio, man, trying to find a parking spot. But you can see, man, it is thick everywhere you look. Harley-Davidsons. I see a little bit of everything in the crowd right here in the lineup, man. Just sit back, take a look at this. See, I have found a nice parking spot right here. See what I got going on. Got next to the street glide and a older road glide right here. So I got me a nice spot. And as you guys see, man, I'm just gonna show you, it is bikers everywhere, all the way you look, coming down. They are all shapes and sizes. I'm loving it right now. Yes, sir. On the bikes, getting it done. It is time to throw on the Rolling Sands hat and get out here and get some great content for you guys. Let me see if I can hook up with the boys real quick. All right, man, you see I am at the spot, got my guys in the house. My guys right there. What's your name, bro?
D-Money, man.
That's where we from. We from?
Cleveland, baby.
East Cleveland? Oh, that's what I thought. East Cleveland?
Baby,
Is East Cleveland in the house. Right, the glide, right? You a glider?
You already
Road
know.
King man over there. About to get this content in here, bro. This is going to be a great day right now. Guys, man, it's all about the motorcycle life. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. That is what's up right there. Let's get money, baby. There we go. All right, man, it is definitely going down on the channel. They are loving the road glide behind me. I already got a couple compliments already just got off the bike. We are about to get it hot up in here. Let's get that money. I just got the boys' location, but man, I'm at a bike show right now, so I'm about to grab the claw and we about to polish the bike off. I don't care if it's been raining or what. You see, I'm about to polish that, and that is why we put that polish on there, man. Look at that shine right there. You know I got to represent when I'm out here, and whenever you go somewhere on your bike, you definitely got to represent too. So I'm just gonna hit that with a click cloth. You already know it. I came to the bike show. My bike gonna be gleaming, ladies. You know that. That is what's up, man. I'm gonna wipe my bike down, man. It's gonna be gleaming. Whenever you are out and about, your bike is always got to be clean. You got to keep it like that. So let me finish this up real quick, and I'm gonna hook up with the boys. And just like that, man, you see the bike is gleaming right now. And like I told you guys, man, these guys are rolling. I see the Sportster right there. All right, okay. See him in the house right now. My guys look like the warrior, road warrior right there, going down. Oh my goodness, it wouldn't be a bike show, man, if we didn't come out and show you guys the new Road Glide CVO. This is one out that's been ridden. Man, she is dirty right there, man. It is looking good though. Definitely loving CVO. I'm at home with all the bikers right now. Guys, I hope you can see out there the mass of what is going on. It's definitely biker heaven right now. You see all the bikes coming through the lineup right now. Is that a Gold Wing right there? Oh my God, Gold Wing in the house, yes sir. All right, man, fellas, I've been on the channel, man. I've been thinking about, you know, I got the Yamaha Road Star Warrior, but I am thinking about trading it in to grab me a Dyna. Always wanted a Dyna with the club shield on there. Let me know what you think, but I am definitely thinking about trading the bike in for a nice Dyna. And you guys see right here, the Street Bob right here, and then we got the Lowrider right here. Loving those T-bars on there. Let me know what you think about the T-bar setup right here, but I think that's kind of mean. Oh, I'm liking this Street Glide right here, man. I'm loving that color, guys. Check out the lowers, all blacked out, the 114. I'm loving that color scheme right there. All right, man, and just like that, I caught up with my guys, catching them while they eating right here. Caught up with my guys right here, Devin in the house, Angelo right here, Pops in the house, man. What's going on, man? How you gonna eat and leave me out, man? I'm starving, man. I've been holding my, man, I'm starving. Man, where we at right now? Eddie's Grill right now. It's about to go down, man. I'm about to get me something to eat real quick. But you see how they, oh yeah, I got caught in a little bit of rain. But it wasn't good, man. I'm not turning around. I'm going straight through. Let me grab me something to eat real quick. Yes, sir. All right, fellas, why when every time it's a bike event in Ohio, it seems like it's gonna rain? You can look in the sky, looking really crazy outside right now. We are about to get out of here and head back to the house. We got about an hour-and-a-half ride, so we do not want to get stuck in the rain, but the day is gonna continue. Yes, sir, you see us out sliding and glide. We are about 15 bikes deep. It is a going down. The motorcycle life is where it's at. All right, man, we are at the gas station right now. We are just now leaving. Man, I am loving the blue Road Glide right there, by the way. I told him I'm getting a blue Road Glide next time right there. He is killing them right there. Of course, you know he is all flammed out with the spinnies on the front. Crazy. I'm loving the mask right there too. Man, we are just out doing it, man. We are about 15 bikes deep. Everybody is all out. You see my man Dev is over there getting his bike together. Everybody all in the place to be right now. It is just going down. All these Harley-Davidson jackets everywhere you look. Hold up real quick. I know you fellas all across the country got fast bikes out there, but I don't care who wants to smoke right here. This man got the fastest bike. He got the secret sauce up in there real quick. Yeah, that's fast right there. I'm telling you out there across the country, this is the fastest out there. Don't go there. No, we didn't put the pressure on you right now. You done went and did that engine up. We got to put the pressure on you right now. The fastest Harley out there right now. I ain't even gonna tell you what he got in there, but if you come to Ohio, he gonna give you some smoke right there. That is crazy off the hook. Now, we are so deep right now on all the bikes. Got the clean ones everywhere you look. It is definitely going down, man. Geneva, Ohio was a party. As you see right now, it is trying to rain on our parade, but it's never gonna do that. We are all gonna be out here getting it done today. Guys, I hope you are loving the content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.